let's get right into some of my favorite activities to do with young children this time of year. Let's get right into it. So the first activity is palm praises. You're going to get some green paper and some cardboard for children to create and make a palm branch. They can put Bible verses or reasons why they praise Jesus on the palm branches, and you can even use them as praise instruments. Activity number 2 is the Garden of Gethsemane. You're going to have children, they can create, draw, build the garden, and then go outside in a real garden and have them pray also in a garden. Activity number 3 is the forgiveness cross. When Jesus dies on the cross, he died on the cross for our sins. So children, as they're painting, you could be talking about what are sins, what is sin, and how can you be forgiven for sin? What did Jesus do? They can also build crosses with blocks. Activity number 4 is the Last Supper. You can have a supper with your children or your class and talk about just the full gospel, things that Jesus did, the miracles, and talk about it over a meal. And then last but not least, we have our He is Risen tomb. So you can create this with a shoebox, get some rocks outside. We haven't decorated ours yet, but get some rocks, get some different type of things that they might have had during that time, and talk about how the tomb was empty and how he is risen. And then last but not least, you want to pair it with a really good children's Bible. And one of my favorite Bibles, I'm going to show you. This is the My First Hands-On Bible for preschoolers. It is super hands-on. It has great discussion questions. It has great even songs and things that you can do with young children. I love this Bible here for young children. And then you can also have a He is Risen praise party where you play some of your favorite, the children's favorite, or some that you've chosen, their favorite resurrection songs. I am currently loving the John 11:25 through 27 song. It's a resurrection song, and I'll link it below. It's an awesome song, guys. But let me know in the comments below, which activity do you think you're going to do with your children or your class? And what other ideas do you have? Leave it in the comments below.